Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch unboxing. This company reached out to me and asked if I wanted to check out one of their watches, and I said yes, of course. Send it over and take a look at it. Company name is Akheilos. They have a few different watches on their website. I'm not sure which one this is, but we'll check it out. Let's take this label off of here. There we go. So we get a shrink wrapped cardboard box. I don't know what I did with my Swiss Army knife. I usually use a Swiss Army knife for unboxings. Anyway, let's cut into the box, or rip it, I guess. No space to spare here. Probably a better way to do this, but I don't want to cut into it and risk cutting the watch box. That'll be good enough. Yeah, so completely destroyed that box. That's okay. All right, let's get it out of here. Looks to be, if this is actual leather, maybe a faux leather box. I should close up my knife before I cut myself. Okay, there's the top of the box. Akheilos, I think is how it would be pronounced. Oh, it looks cool. Nice looking watch there. It looks kind of like an Omega, maybe somewhat like a Doxa. I'm assuming maybe that's a spring bar tool or something in there. So it looks like you get a fabric strap. Looks like, you know, similar to a needle strap or a needle strap pattern. Then you have this rubber strap here. It feels to be maybe FKM rubber, something like that. It doesn't feel like silicone. Quite the length to the strap there. Here's the fabric strap. It's not branded. I don't think this is branded. Yep. Okay, so that does have an A on there for their, it looks like their logo. There we go. It feels pretty nice. Doesn't feel overly stiff. It's got the rectangle cut in there for the tang to go through. It looks like a warranty card. Yeah, it's a pretty nice presentation here. Let's set that off to the side. Yeah, it's kind of Omega-like, I would guess. It looks like it's 500 meter. It's engraved on the side of the watch there. Let's take off the rest of the plastic. So we do have, not necessarily, it's kind of a mesh strap, a little bit different than what I would consider a mesh. I mean, it is a metal mesh, but the links are a little bit thicker. So it's kind of like more of a metal link watch, I would guess. Chain link, maybe. But here you have these removable links to size the watch. They're a little bit thick, so getting a perfect size might not be possible. You do have 3 micro adjusts there to dial it in. So that portion looks stamped, milled here. Then you have the safety clasp. So dual pushers with the safety clasp. engraved case back. Just set this plastic off to the side. There we go. You do have an engraved case back. Let's zoom in, take a closer look. Maybe we need to take the plastic off, get a better read on what it says. Automatic movement, stainless steel automatic movement. Again, 500 meters, so that's 1,650 feet. Akheilos sapphire crystal. That looks like you have some sharks and a scuba diver on the back here. Somewhat shallow engraving, but it doesn't feel overly sharp, so it should be fine on the back of the wrist. Let's move a box here. Move the box, I should say. Gotta straighten up the studio here. It's kind of a mess. So anyway, looks to be ceramic bezel insert. We'll see that's a sapphire crystal top hat type pattern. It's pretty flat though, flat on top. We'll say that's dead flat, and then you just have this little bit of a rounded edge on that flat sapphire crystal. Let's check out the bezel action real quick. So unidirectional, say it's 120 click. And I'll put it on the wrist real quick, and then I might size it real quick. You know, let me size it. Let me see if I take all these links out, if it will fit my wrist. So I'll be right back with that. All right, so I was able to remove all the links. I have all the links removed, and I have it on the tightest micro adjustment, and it does fit my wrist. So I have a 6.5 inch wrist, and maybe it's a tad loose. I don't know. It's kind of cold in the studio, so as I wear it outside in the summer, I'm sure it'll fit a little bit tighter on my wrist. The system's a little bit unique, so you just have these links here, kind of like chain links, and the pin actually goes through those links, and you're just basically threading it into the one side of the link here. So a little bit different from what I'm used to. That's just a clearance hole up here, and then you have the thread. This portion here is threaded. So it takes a little bit to try and line this up, because the links on this bracelet are just it's more of a clearance fit. So there you go, kind of give you an idea there. And here it is on my wrist, completely sized. Let me know if you'd wear it on this strap, or perhaps the, what is this? This isn't a tropic style. What? Is this a Zulu style? There's a certain name for this strap, and I forgot exactly what it's called. I know it's not tropic. I think this is a Zulu diver style strap. Or would you wear it on the NATO style strap? So anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and it really does help me out. Let's just move this handset so we get the date window. I didn't notice that. And you know, I don't know what movement is in this watch. I'll need to dig into that for the full video. I do like the colorway on this though. Looks very nice. Also, I just noticed the crown is signed, and it has the blue sticker on there. Now I've been told if I take a piece of tape, stick the tape on there, I can peel this right off, but I don't have any tape handy at the studio. But anyway, it's kind of give you an idea there. I'll finish taking this off, and then we'll see how it looks on the full video. But typical sign crown there. That will conclude this video. As always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching. Real quick, so I did peel the rest of it off with my fingernail, and it's kind of neat because it's, you know, a signed crown, but it's brushed on the inside there. I wasn't expecting that. I just thought it would be all polished. So not exactly sure how they manufacture that, but nice little touch. Okay, so now that will conclude this video.